Hi guys, I hope everything goes well with you. In this video, we want to learn how we can describe a system with a state space form. In general, a system consisting of n first-order differential equations can be written in the following vector or matrix form. The elements of X are the state variables. A, B, and C are the matrix and vectors describing the system, and D is a scalar parameter. The output signal depends on the input signal through the state variables. Now we consider transfer function T. It is equal output division input. If we multiply right side and the left side, we get equation 1. Now we write equation 1 in time domain. As we see, our differential equation is second order. For this reason, we have to define two variables, x1 and x2. On the other hand, with replacing x2 in equation 2, we get derivative of x2. Finally, derivative of x1 is equal x2, and derivative of x2 is minus 5x1 minus 4x2 plus 3u. As you know, in a state space form, we have two main differential equations. We write here x is equal a matrix x1 and x2, and we can write here easily our first equation. Derivative of x is equal, we see here, we have here 0x1, 1x2, and 0u, and here minus 5x1 minus 4x2 plus 3u. Also for the second equation, we see here y is equal 1x1 and 0x2. That means the first matrix is our A matrix, the coefficient of x. Second one is B, coefficient of u, and C. And as you see, D parameter is 0. Now we go to Matlab and define our system in Matlab. Now first of all, we have to write here our matrices. We write here matrix A is equal 0, 1, minus 5, minus 4. B is equal 0, 3. C is equal 1, 0. And D is equal 0. Now we write here system T is equal state space parentheses A, B, C, and D. As you see, we got three matrices A, B, and C, and parameter D. We can also define MIMO systems with a state space form. If we assume we have two outputs here, y1 is equal y, and y2 is equal derivative of y, and also y is equal matrix y1 and y2, we can write here easily our second equation for two outputs. That means y1 is equal y, and here, as we know, y is equal x1. We have here 1x1, 0x2, and 0u. And also here, y2 is equal derivative of y, and here derivative of y is equal x2, 0x1, 1x2, and 0u. Now we go to Matlab and define our MIMO system. Now we have to define matrix A, B, C, and D. Matrix A is equal 0, 1, -5, and -4. Matrix B is equal 0 and 3. Matrix C is equal 1, 0, 0, 1, and matrix D is equal 0 and 0. Right here, system T is equal state space A, B, C, and D. As you see, we got matrix A, B, C, and D. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next part.